Why should you seek assignments helper online? There are several reasons why you might want to seek assignment help online. To save time, online assignment helpers can help you complete your assignments quickly and efficiently, freeing up your time to focus on other important tasks. To improve your grades, professional assignment helpers have the experience and expertise needed to produce high-quality assignments that can help you earn better grades. To get personalized assistance, online assignment helpers can provide personalized assistance tailored to your specific needs, helping you better understand the subject matter and improve your skills. To meet deadlines, assignment help services can ensure that you meet your assignment deadlines, even if you are short on time. To access a wide range of resources, online assignment helpers have access to a wide range of resources, including academic journals, research papers, and textbooks, which can help you produce high-quality assignments. Overall, seeking assignment help online can be a great way to improve your academic performance and reduce stress. Just make sure to choose a reputable and reliable service provider to ensure that you get the best possible help. Overall, writing a search report requires careful planning, thorough research, and effective communication of your findings. I can help you with research, writing, proofreading, and editing, and I can also provide you with tips on how to improve your writing skills. Feel free to ask me any questions via email at globalassignmentservice444@gmail.com or WhatsApp me at +92 334 6063 324, and I'll be happy to assist you.